But our next topic is bases and alkalis. Bases are the substances which reacts with acid to form water and salt. Means bases वो substance हैं which reacts with acid to form water and salt. This is called neutralization reaction. बेटा लास्ट चैप्टर में भी आपको बताया है. मीन्स चैप्टर 3 में न्यूट्रलाइजेशन reaction was discussed. Bases are bitter in taste and have a soapy feel. बेटा बेसिस बिटर होते मीन्स कड़वे होते हैं खाने में. आई एम हैविंग दिस बेस डिटर्जेंट डिजॉल्व इन वाटर. इट इज़ सोपी टू टच. बेटा अगर आप इसको टच करके देखोगे चिकना होगा जैसे साबुन होता है. सम बेसिस आर सॉल्युबल इन वाटर आर कॉल्ड अल्कलीज. बेटा कुछ बेस जो वाटर में सॉल्युबल है उनको हम अल्कलीज बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड दोनों बेस हैं. दे आर सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, दैट इज़ वाई दे आर कॉल्ड अल्कली. सम बेसिस लाइक सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटाशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आर स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. जैसे एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वीक थे बेटा, strong acid and weak acid. In the same way bases are also strong and weak. Bases भी आपके strong और weak होते हैं. NaOH, KOH are strong bases while ammonium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, copper hydroxide are weak bases. Now our next topic is indicators. Till now we have done what are acids, those substances which are sour in taste are called acids. Now acids, there are two types of acids, mineral acid and organic acid. Better then I told you about strong and weak acid. After that concentrated and dilute acid. Then I told you about bases and alkalis. Alkalis are also bases, but the difference is that all bases are not alkalis because all bases are not soluble in water. Now how to check that which one is acid and which one is base without taste? बिना टेस्ट किए बेटा कैसे चेक करोगे कौन सा एसिड और कौन सा बेस है? For that we have indicators. These are the substances which shows different color in acidic and basic medium. They are called indicators. Means with the help of indicators we can check acids and base. Most probably we use indicator litmus, which is obtained from lichens and is purple in color. Its color changes to red in acidic medium and blue in basic medium. Beta, I am having indicators here. This is blue litmus. You can see the color is blue. And this one is red litmus. Beta, these strips are red in color. Indicators are available in the form of solution. More common we use paper strips that I have shown you just now. They are dipped in litmus solution and are allowed to dry. Such paper is called litmus paper. These two papers are litmus paper. Now there is an activity to check acid and base with the help of litmus paper. Beta, here I am having lemon juice and here I am having detergent dissolved in water. Let me take some amount of more. I have dissolved the detergent in water. Now I am having two strips, red and blue. Let me dip this blue strip in lemon juice. You can see the change in color. It become red. Now let me take a red strip and dip in it. No change is there. So lemon is acidic in nature. It changes blue litmus red, and red will remain as red. Now let's check for the base. You can see the change in color. Red litmus become blue in base, and blue will remain as blue. So with the help of litmus paper, we can differentiate acid and base. Now here in this activity, blue litmus is dipped in lemon juice, it become red, and in this activity soap solution is taken in the petri dish and red litmus is dipped in it, it become blue. Turmeric can also act as indicator. बेटा turmeric means हल्दी. हल्दी भी indicator का काम कर सकती है. How? Let me show you. Let me take 1 spoon of here is a base, and here I am taking 1 spoon of acid. Now I am having turmeric. You can see the change in color in basic medium and in acidic medium. Yes, it become red in color in basic medium and no change of turmeric in acidic medium. So कभी भी आपके कपड़ों को अगर हल्दी लग जाती है, आप उस पर साबुन लगाओगे तो वो पोर्शन उसका रेड हो जाता है. तो बेस के साथ जब भी हल्दी ऐड करती है तो क्या कलर आ जाता है? रेड. It turns red in basic medium and remains yellow in acidic medium. Have you ever noticed what happens when the soap is rubbed on a turmeric stain or a handkerchief or shirt? It becomes red. Juice of China rose petals can also be used as natural indicator. It turns pink when added to an acid and turns green when added to a base. But if you find China rose somewhere, do this activity yourself. Another common indicator is phenolphthalein. This is phenolphthalein. You can see here. Phenolphthalein, transparent liquid. It is synthetic indicator made by man. It is colorless in acidic medium and turns pink in basic medium. Let me take small amount of base and small amount of acid in another bowl. And let me add a drop of phenolphthalein to both of them. You can see there is no much change, but in case of base you can see the change. In base it become pink. Now let us neutralize it. This is base. Let us see how much acid is required to neutralize it. बेटा मैं इसको न्यूट्रलाइज करती हूँ। आप देखो एसिड डालने से पिंक कलर थोड़ा डिसअपियर हो रहा है लेमन जूस से। आफ्टर सम टाइम इट विल बिकम कलरलेस, वो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन हो जाएगा बेटा। अब ये आपका न्यूट्रल हो गया, साल्ट प्लस वाटर, आप देख सकते हो। अगेन इफ़ आई ऐड स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ, ये अभी बेटा न्यूट्रल होकर इसमें वाटर प्लस साल्ट आ गया है, इसको बोलते हैं न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। अगर हम इसमें एक बूंद थोड़ा सा देख सकते हो बेस डालने पर इसका अगेन पिंक कलर हो है, मीन्स अब इसमें बेस थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ पिंक इन कलर, बिकॉज it has pink color due to phenolphthalein indicator. It is slightly basic. Let me again add small amount of acid. You will see again it become colorless. Some more is required. I am doing this neutralization reaction beta. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Now no pink color is there. It means it is neutral. If I add some more amount of acid to it, now this solution is acidic, because here acid is more and base is less. This is neutralization reaction beta.